There are two different methods to climb a 4-tier pyramid. We are going to show both methods in this video. The first method is to have the center 2nd tier girl climb off of skis from the water.
Okay, you can notice here that the 4th tier has her feet as close to the center's neck as she can. This is going to leave enough space for the center girl to get her foot far enough in on his shoulder. Right now the center is doing the simple 3-step climb like we talked about earlier in the video, and meanwhile the outside corners for this 4th tier are starting to climb. The 2nd tiers are going to climb in a 2-1 formation, and the girls that will be 3rd tier are toteming. Okay, as you can see here, the right side 3rd tier is starting to walk in as the 4th tier is getting up on the center. Now note, the 4th tier is going to kind of grab onto the 3rd tier to help her monkey up, and the 4th tier is keeping her feet as close to the center's neck as she can as the 3rd tiers begin to climb. Here you can see the 3rd tiers communicating with each other to make sure that they go up on the center at the same time. And this is when the 4th tier will do a simple 3-step climb up to complete the pyramid. And you will note here that as soon as she's up, the entire pyramid is going to lock out to complete the formation and make it very solid. The 4th tier is now being elevated down after she chokes up on her rope. The 3rd tiers will now choke up on their ropes, take their weight off the center, bring their inside foot to the outside shoulder of the guy so that they can get their weight off the center bases as soon as they can. You'll notice here that the 2nd tier corners are getting into crab crawls immediately and getting off of the center as fast as they can. This is now when the center base will bring down the 4th tier back down onto the guys.
Once everyone has climbed down and is safely on skis, the pyramid is complete and now done with a 4-tier. The second method of doing a 4-tier is to have all girls for all tiers on the shoulders of the guys. This method requires no drop skis and is the preferred method by many teams.
The 2nd tier center is doing a simple step up into the pyramid formation, and the rest of the pyramid climb is identical to the previous video.
Let's take a look now at a 4-tier pyramid from a different angle, this one done at full regular speed.